Hello friends, welcome to Unify Study Channel. Today we will know about the important facts or events related to 19 September. Let's start. In the year of 1581 on this day, Guru Ramdas, the fourth Guru of the Sikh, passed away. In the year of 1719 on this day, the 11th Emperor of the famous Mughal dynasty in Indian history, Rafi-ud-Dawla Shahjahan II, passed away. In the year of 1893 on this day, Swami Vivekananda gave a historic speech at the World Parliament of Religions in Chicago. In the year of 1893 on this day, under the Electoral Act in New Zealand, all women were given the right to vote. In the year of 1927 on this day, Kumar Narayan, a famous and respected poet of Hindi language, was born. In the year of 1955 on this day, President Juan Perón was removed from office by a revolt by the Argentine army and navy. In the year of 1962 on this day, China invaded the northern border of India. In the year of 1965 on this day, Sunita Williams, the second woman of Indian origin to go to space through the space agency NASA, was born. In the year of 1968 on this day, Chester Carlson, American physicist and inventor of zerography, passed away. In the year of 1982 on this day, Scott Farman became the first person to use online messaging. In the year of 1996 on this day, Erja Izetbegovic became the first president of post-war Bosnia. In the year of 2006 on this day, there was a military coup in Thailand and General Surayud Churanon became Prime Minister. In the year of 2007 on this day, MS Dhoni was made the captain of the Indian cricket team for the first time for the ICC World 2020. In the year of 2008 on this day, Supreme Court directed to stop the activities of Salwa Judum activists started to control Naxal activities in Chhattisgarh. In the year of 2008 on this day, Akhlaq Muhammad Khan Shahryar was awarded the 44th Gyanpith Award for his contribution to Urdu literature. In the year of 2009 on this day, the Nanavati Commission, probing the riots that broke out after the Godhra incident in Gujarat, disposed of a petition seeking summoning of Chief Minister Narendra Modi and six others in the state. In the year of 2011 on this day, in addition to the Moon and Mars, NASA designed a grand rocket that can carry up to 100 tons in space called the Space Launch System to send astronauts to other destinations in the universe. In the year of 2013 on this day, Saraswati Prasad, the Manas daughter of famous writer Sumitra Nandan Pant, passed away. In the year of 2017, on this day, Iran's President Hassan Rouhani, in UN speech, criticized to US President Donald Trump for his comments about Iran in UN speech. In the year of 2019, on this day, a Taliban suicide truck bombing of a hospital in southern Afghanistan's Jabul province killed 22 and injured 90. In the year of 2020 on this day, the Epidemic Diseases Amendment Bill 2020 was passed by the Rajya Sabha. The bill aims to penalize persons who attack health workers or doctors fighting the outbreak of COVID-19 or during any situation similar to the current pandemic. In the year of 2020 on this day, Niti Aayog partnered with the Indian School of Public Policy for mentoring, training and capacity building of government officials and public policy scholars. Full name of Niti Aayog, National Institution for Transforming India. In the year of 2020 on this day, the Defence Research and Development Organization had set up 8 advanced technology centers to conduct research on future military applications. These centers will provide support to academicians to conduct research on new technologies in specific areas for military use. In the year of 2020 on this day, Hindustan Organic Chemicals Limited (HOCL), a PSU under the Ministry of Chemicals and Fertilizers, was granted Bureau of Indian Standards (BIS) certification for all its products. HOCL has been a pioneer in the manufacture of chemicals since its inception. That's all. Thanks for watching and support.